Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Queen's Tarot, and this is your most requested pick a card reading, chance pick a card reading, friends. What is coming next for you for this week or for any time? You can watch it anytime, friends. This is a timeless reading. Yes, make sure to subscribe Magic Queen's Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicwednestarot.com. Also, friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, this is a timeless reading. You can watch it anytime, whenever you want to watch it. It will still resonate and help you out with your situation. Also, friends, have you seen your 2022 pick a card reading? The link is in the timestamps, and horoscope readings have also been done, so you can check that out for 2022. They are charms readings, so you can check that out. Also, friends, you can also buy your 2022 readings. For that, you have to go to the website, and December horoscope readings have also been done. Links are in the timestamps. December pick a card readings have also been done. More are coming, but some are done early. So what's happening this week? It's happy birthday time for Sagittarius. Woohoo! So happy birthday, Sagittarius, and I know that's how you all want to celebrate your birthdays. Sagittarius loves to celebrate, party. They are the party people. And the sun is moving in Sagittarius. There is a Mercury squaring the sun on the 21st of November. Also, Mercury will be moving, shifting their sign, so communications are very much highlighted. A lot is happening, and there is a full moon which is happening right now, so that is also there, a full moon lunar eclipse. And that will continue to affect us for this week. So let's see how your week or what is coming next for you. Let's take a deep breath and relax and choose option number 1, ask and you shall receive. Option number 2, friendship and union card. Option number 3, expect miracles. That's beautiful. Look at that. Such a pretty card. So relax, take a deep breath, choose option number 1, option number 2, option number 3. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section, so you can directly skip there. Also, you can choose more than one pile if you feel drawn towards more than one. And if you want to watch the whole reading, yes, friends, you can watch the whole reading. So let's see. Pile number 1. Let's start. Pile number 1. What is coming next for you for those who chose option? So for those who chose option number 1, ask and you shall receive. So this, what is coming next for you is an answered prayer. Whatever you want, you can ask and you can pray and it will manifest for you. So definitely this is a very, very powerful time for you, and whatever is coming next is, look at this. I keep getting this, this is highlighted to me like these flames, these angel wings, like life is getting on wings for you, like something is coming on the wings for you with passion, with power, with love, with angel protection. So make a wish. Let's take a deep breath right now. And 1, 2, 3, and make a wish now. What do you want to wish? Make a wish, friends. And it will manifest for you very, very soon. Yes, Amin, it's going to happen. Let's see. These are your oracle messages. We're gonna look at them shortly. These are your tarot and the charms we're gonna do also. So what is coming this week? What is coming next for you? All right, friends, first things first is that you are under a lot of pressure. You're working a lot, friends, right now. And I feel like you had been through some difficult last 10 months or 6 months have been really tough for you. And you're a little tired, I feel like not physically, but mentally you are a little exhausted. Like you need some help, you need certain support. So you're a little like, oh, when will things get better? Oh, I'm a little tired. I want to like stretch and, just lie on the couch. So you have that energy where you need a little I don't know. TLC, I mean, it's not like you're bodily, physically exhausted. No, it's mentally. It's like emotionally, you are a little like, oh, we had been through so much. I need to stretch and I need to do something extra, exciting. Maybe I also feel some of you are feeling a little bored right now. Let me know in the comment section, because I know you guys are feeling a little bored. You guys are also like, nothing is happening. We can't go there. We can't go here. We can't do much. We have done everything. We have tried this. We have done this. So I'm a little bored. Okay. which is fine, because the sun is moving in Sagittarius, so that also brings a lot of excitement and energy into our lives, so which is a good thing. From Scorpio, the emotional energy, we are shifting into this beautiful energy of the vibrant energy of Sagittarius. So yeah, let's see what is here. um Endings, yeah, some of you are actually ending something, or you are planning to end something, maybe a difficult work routine. Maybe you are planning to quit your job, quit something, a difficult situation, a burden, a pain you had been carrying, a wound. Probably some of you are looking. I also feel some of you are ready to get your checkups done. Like you have some, you have been, like you were trying to like fix. I mean, like, okay, I don't want to say this, but you were trying to avoid a treatment, but this week you are ready to go for it. Like you finally like, okay, fine, what's it, I'll take the treatment, it will help only, right? So your mindset is changing this week, so that's a great burden, shifted off. If I also feel, my god, this card is speaking a lot to me. Wow, it is like the entire reading I can do from this one card. So another thing I'm feeling, if there were health issues around you, in for somebody else, like someone else in the family was sick or not feeling well, you will find relief there also this week, friends. So that is exciting. So what is coming next for you? Oh my god, Nine of Wands. Yes, you are extremely close to achieving your goals. You are extremely close to manifesting something. You are also very, very close to very close to an answered prayer, a miracle. You are very, very close, so do not give up. If you are thinking of quitting on something, like because you were not able to achieve it till now, do not quit, friends. Like you were single and you are like, I want to quit because I haven't met anybody, so why will I meet somebody now? That's exactly why you will meet them now, because you didn't in the past, so that's why you will meet them now. And yeah, I do feel that for some of you, you will have to defend yourself a little, or you will have to be a little protective about your dreams and goals this week, because if you are a student, I would suggest you to study a little bit more, because I see the more you study, the better your results will be, or the extra efforts will win you extra marks. Little things you do, that will really attract the attention and give you good marks. So try and keep try to increase your efforts a bit, just a little bit. Ace of Wands, so something new and exciting is about to start this week for you, and that is amazing. So you are ready for a exciting new start. So something is ending, some pain, some baggage, some burdens are released, and something beautiful is taking its place. This is amazing, friends. Pile number one, you are extremely lucky, because Ace of Wands, you are ready for a new start. Some of you are manifesting this in your work and career. You are looking for a new work, a new job, and it is coming for you in the future. Yes, I do feel. For others of you, you are ready for business ideas, like you are ready to start your own business or take it forward, take it to another level. So something exciting is going to happen. I also feel, even if nothing new starts for you, friends, you are excited. You are excited because there is this end of burdens and worries. So you're mentally and physically recharged, and you are like, hoo, I'm looking forward. You have that energy, extra energy. Even you can feel it. The sun in just shifted in these Sagittarius, and even I'm feeling much better. And the Scorpio energy is the sun in Scorpio was literally a little heavy energy, considering how many planets were affecting it. So we will all feel a little bright, a little perky now. And definitely, pile number one, you are absolutely shining brilliantly with this energy. And some of you may be starting or taking new courses, new hobbies, new ideas. Some of you may be starting a new class, also taking an exam, which you will actually do very well. Like you started an exam first, like you never studied that subject, or you were not really good in it, but you gave the exam and it went well, and it will surprise you because wow, that went well. You're surprised happily. And and I do feel, friends, this is the week, what is coming next? Enthusiasm. What is coming next? Passion. You finding your passion, you finding something to be happy about, you finding your life purpose, you recreating your life purpose, you becoming aligned with your life purpose. The Nine of Pentacles, money is coming, your friend. Money is coming your way, friends. A lot of money is coming. I do see that not just money, I see like something is going to happen that will fill you with gratitude, like something will happen that will make you feel like yes, life is good, life is going in the right direction, and things are getting better. So money is definitely coming your way. If you have money worries, money is coming your way. I do see some extra money also coming your way, some extra payments, and your faith being restored at work and career. Like some of you had been through really really tough conditions, friends, tough challenges in your work and career, but now from this week onward, you will find more support, you will find more, what you say, easygoing energy at your work, so that is great. And teamwork is there, so that is another thing, and money is also coming in, so very good. And you are very very independent in the next few days. You will be very independent, you would love to do things on your own, you'll be full of energy. So it's a great great energy. The Knight of Pentacles, a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is going to be very important for you. I do feel that in the next, what is coming next is loyalty. Loyalty is very important to you in relationships, friends. Some of you want a long term commitment or a stable commitment. Some of you want a partner to express their love to you, or express their commitment, or make it clear if they want to commit or not. And some of you who are single, there is a passionate, very, very passionate person coming in your life. They could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or an Aries, Leo, Sag person. And this is going to be like someone wants to offer you like, hi, let's sit and talk, let's meet, hello. Someone wants to offer you something, friends, and I feel it's an emotional relationship. It could be an advice, it could be a love advice, a love gift coming your way, a new relationship coming your way, or some sort of a message from a past lover coming your way. Let us see what else. The King of Swords. So you could be dealing with an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person, and look at the smile on this King of Swords. Oh my God, this is the smile of contentment. You are like, ha, I achieved it, I did it. Oh my God, pile number one, you have incredible energy. I love this energy. It's superb. You are going places, pile number one, and even if nothing is happening, you're gonna feel on top of the world. You know, because you have this clarity, you have this feeling of victory, like you have won in some way. And what is this card saying? Let's see. Ambition. Yes, I do feel in your relationships you have a lot of expectations, but you are also lucky, so they will come very quickly true. Your expectations, your desires, your dreams. Also, communications are very important to you. Anyone who communicates clearly will attract your attention immediately. All right. And look at that. This seahorse is right. Like, seahorse is like eyeing this King of Swords, like, hey, I want you. I have my eyes on you, baby. So, someone is eyeing you, friends. It could be two lovers, it could be two people. I also feel it could be somebody from the past who wants to come back and maybe offer you an apology, offer you some solutions, offer you some insight, or maybe a reunion is coming. But clarity is very important. Communications in love are very important. With family, very important. Stability, you want from love stability this week. The Star, my God, I do feel your hope is going to be restored this week, friends. Yes, you are extremely it's like you are very blessed, pile number one, and whatever you wish for, it is coming true. Wherever you are losing your hope and you feel like nothing is gonna ever change, that is where you are going to be surprised. I do see that. Keep your hopes high, keep your faith high, because you're going to win, friends. You're definitely going to win. Some of you may actually be attracting fame. success at work, fame, a good opportunity at your work and career or studies. Some of you could also be getting admissions into a new college or a new job or a new project that you thought you would had lost. Another thing is a very destined kind of a relationship is coming your way, a sweet romance, a sweet friendship is coming your way, and it has a very celestial energy to it, like it is very destined. Let us see your other cards. Man holding a coin, so money is coming your way. If not money, commitment is coming your way. If not commitment, some sort of a financial or emotional reward is coming your way. So trust is the important thing in your relationships this week. Like, you want someone who is trustworthy, and if there is already someone you want to you want them to prove their trust to you. And victory number 28. So friends, yes, you are going to win. You are already winning, but some sort of a spiritual victory, financial victory, and emotional victory is going to take place for you, and you completely deserve it, friends. You are praying for it, it will happen for you. Number 28 is important. Let's see your other cards. Memories of love, number 6. Yeah, I do feel you're missing somebody from the past, or you're trying to get heal from the past issues, past burdens, past lovers, ex or some ex-husband, ex-lover, twin flame. Yes, I do feel, yes, you will be able to win, you will be able to come out of it, and also some of you will be able to release the negativity and the negative baggage from the past and move forward with love and hope and passion, which is incredible, friends. I feel the full moon was this full moon is very lucky for you and also intense for you. I would suggest you to watch the full moon reading. I did already. What's coming next? It must be the earlier video before this reading, which I had done yesterday or so. Yes, that is there. You can also check it in Hindi, Urdu. I have also done that. Throat chakra, communications. Oh my god. Communications are very important for you, friends. What is coming next is communications. You also, your mind becoming clear, you getting the ideas that you need, inspirations, ideas, communications, messages from the God, from heaven, from people around you. Big things are healing, a spiritual victory and financial or emotional victory is coming your way. Let us see some advice for you, then your charms. Oh wow, self acceptance. So accept yourself, friends. You are doing amazingly, and you will do even more better in your future. You are going to shine. Your future is very bright, friends. You must believe in yourself and accept yourself. I know some of you are fed up with your past, you are just unhappy, and maybe you are trying to be very hard on yourself because of your past issues. Maybe work, maybe love issues, maybe some, accept yourself, trust yourself. It wasn't your fault. You did your best, right? And we are with you. We understand you. We are also a family. So you must accept yourself. So let's see your charms now, friends. Let's see your charms. So pile number 1, let's see your charms. What is coming next for you for pile number 1? What is coming next for pile number 1? Alright. Let us see pile number 1. What is coming next for you? I see a lot of initials, so definitely a lot of people are involved or important to you in the next, few days, next week. Let me just separate them. Okay, there is a lot of. All right. Let me just separate them. Oh, they're clumping all together. So, this is like also important when these things just clump together. The charms. So, let us see. Okay, this is another one here. D, S, A, H, and N, and R. Wow. So, darn, I can make the word darn, Darcy, darn, dhan, I don't know. Maybe that's a name for somebody. S and R. So these are the initials which are important to you this week. DHAN, DHANSR, and I hope you can see the Okay, here we go. All right. So, what else is there? Let's see. You have the key, so definitely something that's blocking you or something that's missing from your life. The solution, you're going to find that the missing key, the missing solution, the link that's missing. Oh wow, there was a charm inside this house. That's interesting. Something hidden being revealed to you. House is money, luck coming your way. Mushroom, a passionate connection, a passionate union is happening for you. Also, you finding feeling a lot of passion for some area of work, like some art, craft, maybe something you are passionate about. You are going to go back to it, like, you are going back to music, falling back in, something you were passionate about, like painting you were passionate about, you are going back to it. The wind chime, wind change is coming, positive changes are coming, and things are moving. The spectacles, the specs, I do feel if you are a student, yes, it's a busy week for you. You will be busy. There's a lot of things you have to read and cover up. Also, reading is like someone is reading about you or talking about you or checking you out on social media. So yes, interesting. And look at that, the secret lucky message of love. Oh my god, pile number one. So I do see good messages, lucky messages, surprising messages are going to come your way. This is the beautiful golden heart. I do feel you are being healed, your life is being healed, you are relieved from past burdens. This silver heart is like a hope, wishes coming true, hope restored, angel wing. You are superbly blessed, friends. You don't need to worry, you are protected, your relationships, your work, and your goals are protected. There is number 20 here, so 20 is important. And this, I feel like you're very strong, friends. You don't need to doubt. Some things are in dark, you don't know about, but they will become clear. The things which are hiding, the things which are not being shown to you, they will become clear onwards from this week. And the apple, take care of your health, think positive, eat light, eat fresh. And the peacock, yes, you are going to shine, pile number one. You are in the limelight, so don't worry. And the king of coins, a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important. Four of wands, marriage, commitment, business partnerships, mergers, all those things are important. Family structure. And ex, yeah, some of you could also be thinking of an ex because you have this card, memories of love, or the ex person could be thinking about you. Five of here, yeah, someone who left you, ghosted you, they are thinking about you, snake. They want you back, they want to change, they are trying to change, and they are trying to transform this situation. March, the month of March is also important, or someone born in March. Sage, yes, you have to understand and see this situation from a higher perspective, and possibly this was a spiritual lesson for some of you. The knight of coins, again a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important. Giver, yeah, some of you are givers and you must protect your energy because there could be a narcissistic toxic ex around you, friends. OMG. Whew. But you don't have to worry, friends, because you are safe and there are two people, so you do have choices in love also. So you can let go the past go and accept a new person, or maybe try for some other people if you want that, because you do have choices, and or more choices are coming your way in the future. Asia is also important. Creativity, yes, your creativity will be very very high, friends. And this is going to be a great powerful week for you. And that's it for now. Subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, like and share, join us on Instagram. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye. So if you choose option number two, let us see what is going coming next for you, friends. What is going to happen for you? Friendship and union. So I do feel partnerships are very very important for you, friends. Oh my god, I have this Sagittarius energy today, which is making me feel like super high energy. Yeah, so I do feel, imagine I'm laughing right now. So I do feel this is going to be a week or a time where you're gonna laugh and enjoy a lot. Partnerships, friendships, unions, and making friends with yourself and with others around you, and just having a good time is very important to you. These are your oracle messages and advice, and this is your tarot. And we also gonna look at the charms. Yes, so let's see friends, what is coming next for you. All right, you start with the lovers in reverse. Interesting, because there were no reverse card, but yet this card came out in reverse. I do feel like you are feeling like you don't have any choice right now. You're feeling a little upset about it, especially in your love life or friendship area. Like you are single, there are no choices, or you are stuck with the same person, and you are feeling a bit upset about it. Like there is no choice. Why you don't have a choice right now? And it's frustrating you. Like life is boring. You want to go out, you want to party, or you want to travel, but you can't because you don't have a choice right now. This option is not available to you, and you're frustrated. You don't like it. Maybe some of you are in separation with a person and you don't like it. They are keeping you at a distance. You don't like that. I also feel, friends, some of you feel like you have a distance between your dreams and wishes in career. Like you want to achieve something, but there is no choice. Like you just cannot achieve it. Like you want to be a millionaire, but you cannot be. Why? Because things are not working that way. So you're a little upset, friends, a little disappointed, and you're like, I have no choice. No, why? You know, this is not like a angry energy. This is more of frustration energy. Like you feel frustrated. Um, some of you are definitely feeling that you have no options in life. You're running out of ideas how to make your life interesting, or how to, how to find what you want to find, like how to achieve, how to catch that goal, how to catch that person, how. So let's see what will happen this week. Seven of Pentacles, patience. I do feel you need to keep your patience a little bit this week, because things are moving for you, friends. Although the energy seems a little bit slower than pile number one, because they have a massive sun boost energy. But for you also, the energy is picking up. So do not worry. I do see that the situation you are in, it's not yet over. It is still going on. There is still potential in this situation. Things can still get better in your work, love, and career. So don't worry. Another thing I'm feeling is the more patient you are this week, the higher your benefits will be, the higher your rewards will be. Some of you are waiting for money to come in. Yes, your money is going to come in. Some of you are waiting for your money to double up so that you can buy a dress, or maybe invest in property or something. Some of you are like trying to add up your money so that you can buy something, or achieve a goal or dream. Yes, friends, you will have that amount of money that you need. You just need to be a little bit of patience, and it will happen. It's already happening. Your dreams are already moving forward. Your money situation is already improving, and also your career is going to improve. So don't worry. Let us see what else is going to happen for you. Eight of Wands. Yes, this is going to be a very, very busy week for you. Suddenly, out of no action, no choices, and feeling so dull, you are going to like wake up, wake up, wake up. Um, you know, I don't know. Is there a song like Wake Up? Because I keep getting a song which you might be playing in the morning as an alarm or something. This is a song that you play. Eight of Wands. It is going to be a very, very busy week. A lot of ideas, a lot of plans, a lot of things are going to happen for you. You guys will be busy. Another thing is, you guys will be taking a lot of actions to improve your work, your career, your finances. You're planning a lot, you're taking action a lot. If you are a student, yes, you're working because you have exams, so you are studying hard and you are giving your papers one by one, and I can see you sitting in the exam hall like writing, writing, writing. Let's do it. So yes, you are busy. Yes, you are busy. But remember, patience will win you a lot this week. You have a lot of patience, you have a lot of potential, and the more creative you use it, this potential energy, the more better you use it, the better, higher your chances of success will be. I do see that midweek you will be very busy, lots of assignments, lots of communication, talks, planning, meeting with friends and family will also happen. Page of Wands. So I do feel something, some sort of an exciting news or message is going to come your way that is unexpected. Some of you may receive a message from an exam that you have an interview, and you will prepare and you will do very well for it. Some of you may get information for overseas work or career. Like, oh my god, sorry for the, my hand just bumped into the camera. All right, so some of you may be getting some overseas news from another city or country, news about an admission or news about some work. I also feel you will find some excitement, something to be excited about this week. I do see some of you are going for a wedding or a party and you are highly excited about it. You may be feeling a little, in the first, when you heard about this party or wedding, you were like, nah, I don't want to go. But then your enthusiasm picked up on the D date and you will really enjoy it. I also feel an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person will be important for you. I also feel you are looking for something this week, or you are looking for something in the coming days. Like you're finding something, you want a solution, and you are going to find that solution. So do not worry, you're going to find a solution that you are looking for. You want something that's missing from your life, and it is coming, friends. It is coming. It's like this golden, you are looking for this golden seahorse, and you're going to find that this beautiful, whatever you are looking for, this beautiful love, this beautiful money, or whatever, work, rewards, yes, you will find it, friends. You are going to achieve it. Also, I see this is the week where you will be taking action rather than sitting and waiting for opportunities to come your way. It is you going out and meeting things. It is you going out and taking charge of your life. It is you taking baby steps to change your life. Maybe some of you are focusing on fitness, focusing on dancing, because I feel dancing will make you feel happy. Also, some of you will be going back to online classes, or to schools back, or colleges. There is fun, there is excitement. And look at that, the Wheel of Fortune. So, destiny is absolutely working some divine magic into your life this week. I do see stuck, wherever you were stuck, things are going to move forward. I also feel that if you were feeling life is dull, boring, you will find some excitement. Travel is also there. Some of you may travel to another city or country, someone may travel towards you also. Some of you may also travel because of work, because I see money involved due to travel, like money is involved. And what else? Yeah, I do see that you are starting anything that you start this week or you put your efforts in, that will affect you for the long term, because the Wheel of Fortune is like, it will give you luck and it will boost the energy. The Jupiter will boost the energy and it will bring you a lot of luck. And lot of potential. It will, like, if you start like exercising this week, you will continue to exercise the whole month, because that's how the energy is. It will keep going on. It's like a chain reaction. So very nice. The Seven of Cups. Yeah, I do feel that in love and relationships, things are changing, things are shifting for you. You are looking for a new start or for some karmic breakthroughs. Some decisions and choices will be important for you in your love life. I do feel that if you are in a relationship or a no contact situation, your person is still a little bit confused about what to do. I do feel that someone wants to make a move towards you. They want to communicate, they want to date you, they want to already have a crush on you, they want to date you, or they want to fix things out with you, but they have cold feet, they are hesitant, so they are scared. I do feel that in your love life, you and your partner may feel differently. Like, you are passionate, they are emotional, you are ready, they are a little scared. So that mix and match energy is going on. Let us see what else. The Magician. Wow, I do feel you can change your love life by manifesting. So if you are trying to manifest a new lover, yes, you are on the right path, you are doing the right things. I would suggest you to keep manifesting, because you are very, very close to achieving a new person or the partner of your dreams. Some of you are also going to have some, like choice between marriage partners also this week, or in the coming times. You are going to have a choice in lovers. So, yeah, choose wisely. I also feel like in love, if you are already married or in a relationship with no contact, you may feel your partner is confusing you a little, or they are giving you mixed answers. Like, they are saying something, like they are not sure about what to do, or they are very mysterious. They are acting very mysterious. It will be good because it may also spike some passion into your relationship, but also you may also feel a little confused about your partner's intention. The angel of ocean, the healing. Wow, this is beautiful. I do feel, friends, there is a lot of protective energy in your family, over your relationships, your friendships. The empress is here. So definitely, the universe, the goddess are specially watching over your dreams, your wishes, and your relationships this week. I do feel that for some of you, your mother is very important, or someone's mother is affecting a relationship. Your mother, or your partner's mother, or a female is affecting the relationship. I also feel for some of you, you could also be confused whether you should go for having expansion in family, having a childbirth or not. You should wait or go for it. So there are a lot of confusions and thoughts about what to do. Okay, this week regarding love. But also, the more you love yourself, the more you take care of your health. Some of you, okay, I'm getting two messages right now. So the more you take care of your health, the better this week will be. Also, some of you are having some emotional issues, like cyclic issues, menstrual issues, and if you, even if you are a man, you may be having, like, cyclic emotions. Emotions are shifting a lot. Don't worry, things are shifting. That's why there is a reason for this shift that's happening. Stay patient, stay calm. All right. And I do feel, if you are a student, listen to your mother. I think she has an excellent advice for you. And also, I do feel some of you will be helped by a woman or a teacher, a spiritual mentor, maybe a boss or somebody. And you must, that person is someone who will help you out, and their suggestions are heaven sent. Second chakra, Archangel Ariel. So you're extremely powerful, pile number two, and you're extremely, you can achieve your dreams. So you must have faith, firstly. Secondly, some of you are feeling a little like, oh, we are not beautiful. That's why we never attract somebody. Oh, we are not so good looking, so stylish as this magician person. Look at that person. They are gorgeous, but we are not. But friends, you are angelic. you know, have you ever seen an angel that's sexy or something like that? I mean, they are, but they don't need to dress that way. Some of you may be feeling like you are different from the people around you. You dress more, like whatever is right. You dress conservatively, or it's not a good word, conservatively. I think people dress right according to whatever is comfortable or good for them. So you dress accordingly, whatever is good for you. But other people around you is like peer pressure. You are like, people are doing this, that, whatever I'm supposed to do. You are attractive, you are very loving. Believe in your power of attraction. Believe that you can achieve your dreams. Believe in yourself. And the temple path number 12. I do feel that, yes. This week is also a little spiritual also for you. Anytime you take to meditate, reflect, it will go your way a long way. Also, long term dreams are very important this week, so take time while making any decisions. Take your time. I also feel some of you could be visiting a temple or a holy site or a holy shrine this week. It will be lucky for you, or you are making plans to visit it in the future, or you are recollecting if you have gone to visit in the past. You are, like, like reminiscing about it. Also, you could be meeting someone in the park around your house. So, yeah. Let's see what else. The spiritual strength, the nine of swords. Yeah, I do feel some of you could be a little worried and stressed out why things are taking so long. Because it's not taking too long. It's just that things are moving for you. You just need to keep a faith. Wheel of Fortune is already there. I also feel you will not be sleeping well at night. There is so much work on your plate. There is so much excitement. There is so much things you are doing at night. Planning a wedding or something, going for a wedding. I do see some of you could be going for a wedding, a family event or something in a very beautiful place. Eight of Wands, accelerated motion. Eight of Wands is coming twice. It's a very busy week, friends. It's a very, very busy week. Please take care of your health and also get excited. You will enjoy this busy week because you want something to be busy with. You know, you have been a little too free. So let us see the advice and then your charms. Sacred plan. Yes, your life has a sacred plan. Please do not doubt it. You do have a sacred plan, and you know you may not be able to see it right now. What is the higher purpose of a situation or your life? But remember, you do have a higher purpose. We all come for a reason, and we all achieve what is meant for us. And whatever is our plan, you are on the right path. And if not, it will be shown to you what is the right path. So believe you are on. There is a sacred plan. Have some faith. Let us see your charms now. Option number two. What is going to be coming next for them? Option number two. Alright, we have a lot of charms. Let's see. Oh wow, pet. So some of you, your pet might be important for you, friends. Some of you could be getting a new pet or something. Pet are important for you. Okay, something is wrong. I mean, with my camera. I'm sorry for that, friends. Please. Sometimes it happens, you know. Some things just cannot. It's the energy. It's all right. It's fun. I think you were bored with things just, you know, stuck. Now there is even the camera is moving. It won't stay at its place. So that is how the shift is coming for you. Big shifts. Pet, yeah, someone could be a pet for you, or you are getting a new pet or an animal or something, or you are you remember your past pets or something this week. PET is important, you know, someone named with PE and T. The numbers are number 7, number 19, number 22. These are important for you. The blue car, yes, you're very intelligent, friends. So this is a great week to learn something, to start something, and also to complete or give your exams, because yes, your recalling ability will be very good. You know, your memory will be very sharp. Anything to learn will be great. The lucky boot, the wheel of fortune. Yes, you're gonna be very, very lucky. Music is going to be very important for you. Someone may send you some songs for you. Also, someone may also, music will also help you to relax this week. Mushroom, extra passionate energy, magical energy. There are two mushrooms for you. Let us see what it means. I feel like you are attracting someone very passionate, or you already know someone a very passionate, a very psychedelic, very intuitive kind of a friendship or relationship. So if it is not there, it is coming for you. Someone with, you know, like someone who is perfect for you, who has similar hobbies as yours. So someone very passionate, someone very sweet and fairy like is coming. And the dragonfly, yes, sweet changes are coming for you. The secret lover diary. Oh, so there is a secret admirer for you, secret messages of love. And look at that, you have two dragonflies. Pile number 2. You guys are going amazing. I can't believe it. You guys are feeling stressed. There is so much magical energy for you. Two dragonflies. So, yes, positive changes are coming, and someone who is as similar as you or as beautiful as you are is coming, or you are attracting situations which are perfect for you, easy for you, and blessed for you. The bunny rabbit, yes, passion, extra passionate energy is there. Butterfly, positive changes. Money, it's also money because it's golden. The lucky clover, luck is with you. Don't doubt your luck, trust in it. And the rainbow, yes, after a lot of wait, you finally get your dreams true. And this is the beat to not worry and also to get some sleep. You know, this is like sleep. Sleep. Don't listen to the, social media all the time. The weed, my god, there is a lot of psychedelic things happening. Are you dealing with someone who is having like anxiety, depression, or addiction issues? Yeah, that person could be important this week for you, friends. The green house, family, properties, money, and inheritances are important. The leaf, yes, letting go of worries. The child, yeah, some of you could be single parents. You are worried about your child's security, health, or you're worried to, or you want to have desperate for babies. Yes, I do feel some of you just want to have babies because you are very close to them. Also, some of you may be a little upset with your mothers, like, oh, stop petting me. You are treating me like a baby. Don't. I hope you remember, friends. We never, one of the most beautiful things is that we never grow up for our, parents, and that's amazing because for everyone else, we may be an adult and they will never treat us like, as not an adult, or like, they will never baby us. Only a parent can do that. Even if you are 80 years old, they can still pet you and, like, hey, see, they can care for you in a very different kind of a way. Only a parent can do that. So if you are upset as a child, or as a, like, oh, come on, stop petting me, I'm not a baby, I'm an adult now. Remember, it's a beautiful gift they are giving you, and only they can give it to us. So, yeah, cherish it while you have it. And the strawberry, so finding some juicy experiences, finding some happiness, getting excited, friendships, reunions, meeting friends and family, and wedding celebrations. Queen of Coins, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important. And there is September. September is important. Someone born in September may be important. Three of Years, yes, your heart is healing. Money, yeah, some of you are upset about money situation. There are so many money signs. Money, 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 the golden butterfly, money. 10 of Years, yes, endings leading to end of difficulties. 8 of Years, yeah, I feel you may be, things are not as bad as you're feeling. The fear is inside your mind rather than outside. July, so July is important. September and July, and Venus, look at the positive and the brighter side of life. And the heart, take care of your heart. Some of you may be worried about a parent's health issue or something, or your pet's health, but all is well, all is well. So that's it for now. Subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram. And to buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye. So, friends, if you chose option number 3, let us see what's coming next for you. Expect miracles. Oh my god, this is a chance reading. I'll be pulling your chance shortly, friends. Okay, let's see. Expect miracles. This is beautiful, friends. I do feel you are opening your arms, getting ready to receive something beautiful or start something beautiful in your life, something miraculous. Look at this, it's pure golden energy. Wow, the energy of sun moving in Sagittarius, such a beautiful energy, such a powerful energy. So yes, let's see what else will happen for you next. These are the oracle and advice, and these are your tarot. And we're gonna look at the charms, charms shortly. Oh my god, friends. I don't know what. Sometimes, channeling is like, I don't know what words we all channelers say. Seen other tarot readers also. They keep mixing words. Sometimes they are bumbling. It's it's funny, and it's also at the same time very silly also. Charms. Charms. What is charms? All right. So, friends, this week you are ready to move forward. You are absolutely feeling ready to move forward in your life. You are done and dusted, and you are ready to take charge of your life to move forward, and also to, do something different in your life, to make some changes, invite some positive changes, or some positive, like you're ready to move on with life. Like, hey, let's do it, let's do it, let's do it. You are in that energy of the go getter, and you're coming into that energy this week, friends. Yes, the Six of Swords. Some of you are moving out of tough situations, problems, worries towards peace. You are moving towards happiness, you are moving towards safety, security, and peace of mind. And I do feel this will happen because a miracle will take place for you. That's why I also feel some of you are you will find a break this week from all the past burdens, from all the past issues. So you will find some break, some sort of a relief is coming your way. So don't worry. And you're definitely on the path towards success, friends. Yes, you are absolutely ready to start something new, and it's like bye bye to my worries and saying hello to happiness. So yes, it's a good energy, friends. It's a very good energy. So, how this week will be for you? Let's see. First things I'm feeling is that this will be a beautiful week for you because you will feel very balanced, very stable, very secure. You are not feeling anxious. You are not feeling too over emotional. You are in a very mature and balanced energy, and you know what you need to do and what you don't need to do. So, you are in a perfect harmony of what you want and how you want to achieve it. It's a great energy. Also, you are very clear about your future, where you want to go, what you want to do. So there is a clarity coming for you. There is a sense of like, yes, I want to do this. Acceptance, a sense of clarity coming, a vision coming for you, and you will be like, yes, this is exactly what I want to do. A simplicity coming in your life. It's a very good energy, friends. The Six of Swords with the Two of Wands is perfect combination, and they come out so rarely together in just like this succession. It's a great energy. I do feel you will be feeling very balanced this week. You will not feel like too emotional or too happy. You're balanced, you're mature, you're balanced, and you are a visionary. What else will happen? And also, there is a sense of peace and calm. Like you are not getting very excited about anything. You are working like with peace and calm. Like, yeah, you can handle anything this week. You are like you are like a, I don't know, you are like a Hercules, which Herculean effort, right? Hercules was a very tough guy. He could do anything. He was very brave, so you could do anything. You are very brave. You are very mature. Three of Pentacles, yes, at work, cooperation is coming, harmony is coming. I do feel you were facing some issues at work, politics, competition, backbiting, tensions, worries. You will feel relief now this week. Relief is coming, support is coming. I also see people supporting you, people talking good about you, people praising you, appreciating you. Some new projects also coming your way, some sort of a like some projects are coming your way, maybe monetary projects or financial, like some, not just like financial, but like a project that will give you experience, right? Something like that. I also feel people will be more happy to cooperate with you. People will be more easy to work with, and people will be more open and supportive about you this week. So you will like this week. You are like, finally, people are gelling up to me. So it's a good energy, friends. Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, I do feel something new and exciting is going to start out of the blue for you. You are not expecting this to happen. Some of you may get a new job opportunity just out of the blue. Some of you may also start go for an interview or something, and your chances of selection are extremely high. I also feel you will find a new vision regarding your work, career, your life purpose. Some of you are finding new insights about your life purpose. Also, some of you are going to find how to make or increase your finances, how to make more money, and you are like, yes, I'm gonna do this, and it will make my finances more secure. Some of you could also join up some extra hobby or an extra job, not to make money, but because you can do it. That's why. If you are a student, yes, some of you could be starting a new college or new phase of life in some way, like you're going to new phase, going for your first paid job or something like that. Prosperity, yes, I do see money coming your way. I do see end of worries coming your way, a fresh start, and you're like, yes. I also see travel, friends, for some of you, like you guys are traveling for work, changing or shifting your offices. I also see renovation. So some of you could be renovating. Like you are renovating your house, your workplace, your offices. I also see some of you could be hiring home help, house help, or maybe you are hiring somebody to help you in your business or support you at your work and career. Well done. Going good, well done. King of Cups. So this is a very sweet and emotional week for you, friends. I mean, like, it's not emotional, it's like you are very calm and balanced. There is a lot of emotional maturity in this week for you. A Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important. I feel like you have this beautiful energy. You look at this king, where you can understand everybody where they are coming from, and everything is sorted because you have so much of love and compassion. So everybody is attracted towards you. It's a beautiful energy. I do see that a lot of people are falling in love with you this week because you have this beautiful energy, this beautiful, you have so much to offer, pile number three, that people are falling head over heels in love with you. Whether they tell you this or not, they are being attracted towards you because you have a lot to offer, this beautiful maturity, this understanding, this wisdom, and this peace to the world and to your relationship. So people are very attracted with you and towards you. Ace of Cups, a chance of a new romance, a chance of a reunion, a chance of a healing is about to happen for you in your love life. And some of you may actually be surprised when it happens because it's a miracle that's coming for you, a new sort of a love relationship coming, or a reunion going to happen for you, and it will be a very emotional. Also, some of you may not find a new person this week because you are getting emotionally ready for a new start. So by next week, you may find somebody new. But I do feel there is love coming your way. There is a maturity in love. There is a lot of commitment. There is a lot of emotional care, love. Love is emotional, sweet, romantic, and I keep getting an old song. It's a very, very old English song, Carpenters. It's by the band Carpenters. I don't know which song is it from the Carpenters. I remember I used to hear it when I was a kid. Oh, love, love, love. Something like love, 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 from the band Carpenters. It's a very beautiful song. You should check it out, friends. The Carpenters song. You will find many songs from them, but I think there is a song called Love or something like Love, 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 something like that. Let me know. It's a very old song. It's a very, very old song, but I guess you like it. Pile number three. Also, I do feel offers of love are coming your way, like some sort of a, some of you could be getting like officially engaged this week because I see gold around you. I see you wearing jewelry, fine jewelry. Maybe you are going to an engagement, a marriage party, wedding, or some of you are getting engaged yourself, or some sort of a gift or proposal is coming your way. The Queen of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag person is important to you. I do feel someone very passionate is coming towards you. You may also have some choices in love. And I also feel like, someone is getting ready to move towards you, offer you this deep love and affection and a deep relationship. Someone is very passionate about you, friends, and that person is going to come back or to meet you for the first time in your life. The Knight of Cups, a Capricorn, Virgo, a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important. And look at that again, the energy of proposals. So yes, proposals are coming your way. Messages of love, sharing, deep sharing, caring. Also with friends, understanding, meeting your friends, talking to them, talking to your family, emotionally connecting with your family, sitting and listening to them, also connecting with your parents, your father, especially your mother or your father. I feel your father, you're connecting with your father. So there is a lot of happy energy, but everything is very balanced. It's not like out of balance. Everything in your love life is balanced. And some of you may be actually looking for some choices in love, and yes, you are going to find it. The sun, look at that happiness. So I do feel this is the week that happiness is coming your way. Some of you could be also taking some time to spend outside in the sun. It will really excite you, like going out for a picnic or something with family or with kids. Also, if you are in a twin flame relationship, your twin flame and you will feel very, very attracted towards each other, and there is a lot of understanding and mature love going on here. And it takes a lot for the twin flames to unite and to be mature giving. Someone wants to give their heart to you like this. I want to make love to you. I want to give my heart to you. I'll give you my heart. Which song is it? I want to give you my heart. I want to Which song is it? Oh my god, I forgot. I wanna give you my heart. Oh god, I can't get I can hear those lines, but it's so faint. Can you raise the volume, please? What song is it? I wanna give you my heart. I wanna give you my love. I don't know which song. It's an English song. It's a beautiful song. So, yes, happiness is coming your way, love is coming your way, gifts are coming your way, and there is this hope coming, your hope. And also, you are simplifying your life. Like, you're removing the bad people, you are removing the clutter, you're removing the excess baggage in life. Also, renovating your houses, cleaning your houses, and making them, opening your windows, going out in the sun, enjoying life. Yes, it's a great week. Let's see what else. The community, yes, I do see some of you could be spending time with friends or going to hobby classes or connecting with people in your neighborhood. Some of you might also going to kitty parties or something. It will be great fun connecting with your female friends. Storm warning. Oh, 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 number 10. So I do see that some sort of a warning is coming here for you to remain mature, friends, to remain mature and not to act with fear, because this is a very giving week for you, friends. This is a perfect week. So try to understand people. The more you understand people, the easier it will be. Someone may actually be angry or egoistic around you, like this Aries Leo Sag person. Someone is behaving egoistically, a friend, a lover, parent, or some, like co-worker or somebody is behaving egoistically, arrogantly, but you give them their beautiful understanding, like, hey, it's okay, I understand you. So that is what you need to do. And look at that, passions ignited. Wow, this is beautiful. So definitely some sort of and you have another one energy. You have Ace of Cups, Ace of Pentacles, and the Ace of Wands. So something is being ignited within you and in your life, friends, and it's a great energy. I do see that you are going to feel this energy more and more as you go ahead in the time. This is not just limited to this week, this new energy. Some of you may also become very passionate about a lover. You may not want to share them, or you may be in third party situations. So your lover is finding their way back to you, friends. Yes, that's also possible. And look at that, spiritual union. Oh my god, friends, definitely a spiritual union is coming for you. Some of you could be uniting or meeting a person and working with them in the long term, in the future. Some of you could be meeting the life partner of your life, the person you are going to marry, your twin flame, or someone very important. You are going to meet them this week, or you are going to reunite with them. Let's see the advice. Compassion. So be kind with yourself, friends. Be kind with yourself. You are doing extremely well, and also be compassionate with others. Some people may behave a little arrogantly or less maturely, but more or less people will quickly learn from you. You are an example to others. You are an inspiration to others. Yay, pile number 3. Well done. I see you traveling also, pile number 3. I see you like also renovating your houses. Whose doors or something are getting painted? I see like someone is painting something like doors or furniture or maybe walls. Option number 3. What's coming for option number 3? Oh my god, you have so many charms, so many charms. Let's see. Oh my god, how am I going to cover all these charms? Grab your cup of coffee. We're gonna be a while here. Yeah, I know. Oh my god, how am I going to read this all? Look at this, so many. Okay, we'll try. Right? Yeah, but still nobody subscribes, likes, and share. I don't know what's going on, friends. Seriously. Hard luck. All right, let's see. So, Mr. Somebody named Mr. is important with M and R, and there is Jen. So, someone named Jenny could be important. Jenny, Jen, Jane, Jane could be important, or Zone. John could be the name for somebody. John, Johnny. So, Yeah, MRGEN and JON are important. Bouquet, yeah, compliments are coming. Some sort of a birthday. Maybe it's your birthday. And if it's your birthday, it's definitely a very, very powerful birthday for you. Things are going to really shift for you from this birthday. Loyalty, someone loyal is coming towards you. The wind chime changes, positive changes, new breakthroughs are coming. The owl, yes, friends, you are very wise, you are very smart. Listen to your intuition, count on yourself. Also, use your intuition before making any decisions. The bow, oh, I see you buying some dresses, party dresses. I see you going out for some function, some gathering, especially if you have children, they might be performing in some sort of a function, like maybe annual functions or something like that. Or this also symbolizes new love, crush. The leaf, yeah, this is about, balance coming in your into your life. Elephant, listen to people. If you listen to people, people will automatically calm down, friends. So this is a good energy. Listen to people. You have a lot of impact you can make by hearing people. The butterfly, golden butterfly, yes, positive changes, new start. The golden heart, someone is really in love with you, friends, and they are coming towards you. The dragonfly, yes, a wish is about to come true. The turtle, turtle is also about unity of love coming towards you. And also, like, keep swimming, keep moving forward, you are on the right path. And look at that, the owl. So I do feel that, this is a time, when um, you are attracting someone very similar to you. Very intuitive connection is coming, or you may already be having choice. If there is a third party, use your intuition. The infinity, yeah, twin flames are very, very important, friends. Twin flames are very important to you this week. A twin flame connection. Look at that. The weed sign is here. It is like someone may be addicted to you, or you are addicted to them. Some of you could be addicted to food or to some social shows, or some movies on social media. You are addicted to that. Coffee cup, yes, I see you celebrating with friends, with family, meeting them after a long, long time. Don't forget to save, yeah. So, this is a time that you should invest your money or make some long term plans for that. Also, the yellow car. Stay positive. The more happy you are, the better this week is. King Knight of Air, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini is important. Ace of Wands, you already had the Ace of Wands twice. An exciting new start is here in your life. This is very exciting. Ladybug, you are extremely lucky. Four of Cups. Some of you could be getting married very soon. Some of you could be getting engaged, marriage, commitment, business partnerships, or a new work assignment. All are important. Three of Cups, friendships. Yes, friendships are very important. Some of you could be meeting a friend. Meeting a friend might be falling in love with you. Some of you could be celebrating birthdays. Five of Cups, a past lover is missing you. They are coming back for you. No, monkey, yes, I do feel. Enjoy this week. This is a great week for you, friends. Have fun. Five of Air, yeah. Someone from the past is really, friends, missing you. Someone who ghosted you, blocked you, or maybe is in the third party with you. Three of Coins, yes. Help is coming. A lot of support from people is coming. Six of Coins, yes. Money is coming. Karmic rewards are coming. This beautiful energy of, you know, this is a very beautiful week. I have no words to describe it also. You can expect miracles. Six of Coins, past hard work, rewards of it. Style, you are extremely stylish. Some of you could also be changing your look, your hair color, or getting ready for a party, and you're gonna look amazing. And that's it for now. Subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C. And if you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic C from Magic Wens Tarot saying bye bye.